Russell and the 10-month-old and day naps. How much is okay? So she says, hi Karen, I hope you're well. If you get a chance, could you please help me out with the following? My son is 10 months old, sleeps through the night, usually 7 till 6:30 a.m. Fabulous. He has 2 sleeps a day, but only 1 hour each. He generally wakes up happy and chatting from his sleeps, but I'm not sure if this is enough day sleep. I make sure he's a full belly when he goes down. Loving that, Emma. Following your third protein, carb and good fats. Excellent. Tick, 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 love. His room is dark. Loving that too. He's got a sleeping bag. Yay. He self-settles. Yay. He's awake for 3 hours 15 in the morning and 4 hours in the afternoon. If I put him to bed earlier, he'll just roll around. Should I just be okay that he has 2 1-hour sleeps? Thank you so much. It's a pleasure, Emma. Alrighty, so Navati's actually sleeping for 11 and a half hours at night, which I know there's a lot of mums out there going green with their envy at the thought of this 11 and a half hours. You see, it's very possible that it can be done. And he's having an hour each in the day. So it's about your quota. And I think that hour is actually fine each, Emma. So I'm happy with just 2 hours total in the day. The key thing is that he goes to sleep within half an hour. So when you've got the right sort of time, it's between 10 minutes and half an hour. If they go down really quickly, like within a minute, they may be slightly too tired. So you want them to roll around a little bit just to calm themselves down and to get into that transition. Now, if he wakes happy, and you're totally right, Emma, that is the key sign. So that's the really important bit. Do they wake happy? So when you're looking at babies and sleep, one of my top 5 questions, and these are things that I asked my sister when she had her first kid. Are they self-settling? Are they going down fully awake in the cot? Not drowsy, fully awake. Are they putting themselves to sleep? Do they do at least 1 long sleep cycle a day, which is more than 40 minutes? Do they wake happy? You happy? So if the answer to all those questions are yes, 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 Emma, then more than happy, love. So I think you're doing a great job. And I think that is enough sleep. So sleep, it is about not every baby does exactly the same, as you probably know, Emma. I have extremes that I know. I have some babies that sleep loads. Some are 12, 13-hour kids. And then I have some that have 10 hours and are quite happy on that. So we're all different as adults. Babies and children are the same. So I'm most happy with your question, love. So I hope that's got to you today.